And Dave, if you've never sailed before, want to learn and want to get out in the water, what's the best way to do that through your program?
So typically we have really a couple of ways that we work with youth to start sailing. We have a Thursday night community sailing program where we invite anybody from the community to come down and take our boats out. We have our instructors here, and it's just a nominal fee to help cover the cost of that. We offer a barbecue for everybody, and it's just all comers. We get adults and kids down here, and we get them out on the water on Thursday nights for a couple hours of sailing using all of our boats. And then on Tuesday nights we have a youth team where those who have been through at least a beginner lesson can come down and sail. And again, we have our coaches out on the water with them. And then we also do beginner sailing lessons, and we offer that sporadically throughout the season in between our major events. But we do beginner lessons in BIC boats and in lasers, and get youth started.